Hello, I'm Michael Eisner, and welcome to a brand new season on the Disney Sunday Movie. All of us in the Disney family are grateful for your loyal support over the past year and want to say thank you. Right, guys?
Right, Michael.
We look forward to bringing you in the weeks to come new and original motion pictures, special features, and some of the great Disney classics such as Mary Poppins and 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. But most important, we will continue to bring you quality family entertainment in the Disney tradition. Tonight, we start the new season with an out-of-this-world comedy called Hero in the Family. I'm especially honored that one of the stars of the movie is here with us on this special occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to welcome a new star into the Disney family, Michael the Chimp.
Gee, Michael, he has the same name as you.
Right. In tonight's movie, Michael takes on the demanding role of an astronaut and handles it with great skill and dexterity. So if you're ready for a little monkey business, please join all of us who work on the Disney Sunday Movie and enjoy tonight's motion picture.